Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. It's been about a year, maybe even two, where I bought this radio, Sangean, I think it is, still can't say it. Okay, so by all rights, when I looked at the radio, it looked pretty good. It had the solar, it had the dyno on the back where you can crank it, creates a little bit of power, and you can use it. So the idea behind it is that you could charge it via USB, solar, or by dyno. And you can see on the side there, it has an extra port. You know, rugged, it's got the light, it's got an emergency alarm, preset, all digital, nice to use. I had to return the first one because I was having troubles with it. What the problem was is that the volume, at max volume, was quite low. This one was working good, and you'd never believe it, but guess what? It did exactly the same thing. After doing a hard reset on the device, it still does the same thing. So my review on this product originally was quite good, but considering I've gone through two of these, and there's nothing wrong with the radio except for a little bit of dust, a little bit of dirt, because it's like a little bit of a mobile work radio. We're in the same spot. So I'll show you what I mean. That's max. It's almost like the speaker's gone. So unfortunately, I'm not terribly happy with it at the moment, and I've now got to work out how to fix it. That's the little rechargeable battery in there. But by all rights, yeah, it should have been a good radio. Normally you could turn it up enough so you could be 10 meters away and you could, slightly hear it. Now, headphones are louder than this radio. So very disappointing on that review. Well, originally I was quite happy because it was working, but now it's kind of gone the same way. And I really wonder if this is what they call programmed obsolescence, where it works for a certain amount of time, you use it too much and then just go, dies. Anyway, leave your opinions or your comments if you've got this same radio. Model number MMR-88. If you've got the same radio, you're having the same problem, and you've worked out how to fix it, let me know. Then I can do a video on how to fix it and show everybody else. Thanks for watching.